To choose the right pillow for you, think about which sleep position you prefer. For instance, if you're a stomach sleeper, you may find a soft, flat pillow the most comfortable. On the other hand, many back sleepers prefer pillows with a medium level of firmness and thickness. Side sleepers tend to be best with pillows that are thick and firm. Pillows made of natural materials such as down, cotton, or wool tend to last longer than synthetic pillows. Wool and cotton are also good choices if you have allergies, since they're less likely to attract dust mites and mold. If you have neck, shoulder, or jaw problems, you may need a pillow designed for your condition, such as a memory foam pillow or specially shaped positional pillow.